simple for you guys. And the most important thing for you guys to understand is this. It's about starting small. Okay, so if you've dealt with depression, you've dealt with anxiety, I've dealt with all these things. I've dealt with anything you could think of as far as suicidal thoughts, all this kind of shit. It's about starting small. Okay, and what I mean by that is, no matter what the fuck is going on in your life right now, no matter how deep you think you are in some sort of funk, depression, anxiety, panic attack, whatever it is, it's okay. Number one, it's okay. Number two, start small, thinking about, okay, what right now in your life really matters to you? What right now in your life actually means something to you? It could be the simplest thing, the fact that, let's just say, there's nothing else good in your life. Everything's terrible, right? You think everything's horrible, but you have a mother. But you have a father. Let's say your mother's gone. You have a father. You have a brother. You have a friend. You have literally someone you could just talk to. This is the most important thing in life. Just start there.